Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today I'm going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, and the topic name is Bill of Exchange. Students, in the last video I have explained you the second method of Bill of Exchange. In the first method, there was only one drawer and one drawee. Yes. In the second method there is single drawer and multiple drawee, or even a drawer can later on become a drawee, because in reality in business, see, you are accepting the bill and you're drawing the bill. You're not only drawing the bill, you'll be doing both. You are in the capable of doing both the things. Okay, now let's understand the problem I've told you. You have to understand step by step. A, B, C, D, there will be 4 types, and all the types will be different from each other. They have no connection among each other. It is A is for the different person, B is for the different person, C is for the different person, and D is for the different. And then you have to see in whose book they are asking you the journal entry, and according to that you are going to pass the entries. Now see, journalize the following transaction in books of Narendra. See, they are asking you the journal entry in the books of Narendra. So whatever transaction which you will be dealing it from the Narendra's point of view. See, in accounts you have to understand that you are standing at whose position, because see, a person can be a drawer, at the same time the person can be a drawee also. So you have to understand at what role you are playing in that transaction. Narendra retires his acceptance. Now see, Narendra is retiring his acceptance to Upendra. That means this time Upendra is the drawer and Narendra is the drawee. Do you remember it? I have told you a person who accepts is a drawee. Am I correct? So same way here also you are going to think of it. What is the sentence? Narendra retires his acceptance to Upendra by paying 4,000 in cash and endorsing a bill accepted by Ramlal for rupees 5,000. Now see, here there are two things. One is नरेंद्र अपना बिल उपेंद्र वाला रिटायर कर रहा है. रिटायर करने में व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, वो 4,000 कैश दे रहा है. और दूसरा वो क्या दे रहा है कि रामलाल ने उसका जो बिल एक्सेप्ट किया था वो रामलाल वाला बिल एंडोर्स कर रहा है. आर यू गेटिंग मी? 5,000 का. सो नरेंद्र इज डूइंग टू थिंग. नाउ रिटायर्स मतलब व्हाट इज अ रिटायर्स एंट्री इन द बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉवी? डू यू रिमेंबर इट? पैसा जाता है, किसको जा रहा है? बिल्स पेएबल को. सो यू राइट द एंट्री बिल्स पेएबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. पर यहाँ पे कैश नहीं, आप उसको दो चीजें दे रहे हो. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? गिविंग, you are giving cash plus one bill. So what will be the entry? Bills payable account debit to cash account and to bill receivable account. Are you getting me, students? What will be your entry? Yes. See, what was the sentence? Narendra retires his acceptance to Upendra. Are you getting me? Narendra उपेंद्र का एक्सेप्शन रिटायर कर रहा है. तो रिटायरिंग इज इन द व्हेन इट इज इन द एक्सेप्टेंस, मतलब ही इज अ ड्रॉवी. ड्रॉवी की बिक में आपको पता है आपको पैसा देना पड़ेगा यानी कि यू आर इन द कैपेबल ऑफ बिल्स पेएबल अकाउंट. you are in the position of bills payable. So you're going to write here bills payable account debit. 2. आप क्या दे रहे हो उसको? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर गिविंग हिम सम कैश. एम आई करेक्ट? और दूसरा उसको आप क्या दे रहे हो? उसको एक बिल दे रहे हो, रामलाल वाला बिल दे रहे हो, यानी कि नीचे आएगा टू बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट. क्या आएगा? टू बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट. समझा स्टूडेंट्स? यस. नाउ कितना उससे आप कैश कितना दे रहे हो? यस, टेल मी. कैश कितना दे रहे हो? 4,000. बिल कितने का दे रहे हो? 5,000. सो टोटल आप उसको कितना दे रहे हो? 9,000. समझ में आया? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड सेंटेंस क्या बोल रहा था? अगेन विल रीड द सेंटेंस एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग न्यू विच हैज बीन कम. यस. नाउ सी नरेंद्र रिटायर हिज एक्सेप्टेंस, मतलब वो अपना एक्सेप्टेंस रिटायर कर रहा है. कैसे रिटायर कर रहा है? 4,000 in cash and 5,000 in the form of bill. Understood it? चलो go to the next transaction. विक्रम एक्सेप्टेंस टू नरेंद्र. सी विक्रम ने नरेंद्र से एक्सेप्टेंस किया था, यानी कि विक्रम इज अ ड्रॉई, नरेंद्र इज अ ड्रॉवर. विक्रम एक्सेप्टेंस टू नरेंद्र ₹6,000 रिटायर 1 month before the due date at rebate of 12%, यानी कि is retiring the bill. So what is happening when the bill is retired? Money comes in, you have to give a rebate and bill goes out. So what will be your journal entry? This time you are in the position of a drawer. You are in the position of a drawer because the other person is accepting the bill. So you will get the money. So it is cash or bank account debit rebate. This is normally we are doing it, so this is not something new. We have done this time of things. Debit account debit to bill receivable account. Yes or no? You are going to write bill receivable account. Okay, what is the amount of bill? The amount of bill is of 6,000. You're retiring 1 month before. You're retiring 1 month before. Remember it. You're retiring 1 month before. At the percent, what was the rate of interest? The rate of interest is 12%. The rate of interest is 12%. Okay. So what are you going to do? 6,000 into 12%, that comes to 720. So 720 divide by 12. So you get, it is only for before 1 month, so interest will be calculated only for a month. So rebate is 60. So when rebate is 60, how much money you are receiving? Minus 6,000, you are receiving how much? 5,950. So you'll be receiving money 5,940 and rebate will be 60 rupees. Got it, students? This was a very simple, which we have already done it. So nothing new in this. Dilip renew his acceptance to Narendra by paying of, sorry, Dilip renew his acceptance to Narendra for rupees 12,000, buying 4,000 in cash and accepting a fresh bill for balance plus interest at 12% per annum. So this is a normal renewal. मतलब हमें कितनी entries करनी है? 4 entries करनी है. One is for the cancellation, second is for the interest, third is for the part payment, and fourth is for the bill. Now see what is they saying? 4,000 is giving in cash and accepting a fresh bill for balance plus interest. यानी कि interest is going in the new bill. Come on, without thinking, without thinking, I've told you have to pass 4 journal entries. What are that? Dilip account debit. First is for cancellation, so 2 bill to bill receivable account. Yes. Second is for interest. Dilip account debit to interest account. Am I correct? What is the third entry? Part payment. You're receiving some money, cash or bank account debit. Who's giving you this? Dilip. So to Dilip account. And last but not the least, is your new bill ka entry. Yes, what is your new bill ka entry? Bill receivable account debit. Who is giving you the bill? Dilip. So to Dilip account. ओके सी यहाँ पे आपको सोचना ही नहीं है, 4 एंट्री कंपलसरी पास कर देनी है. 1 इज फॉर कैंसलेशन फॉर द रिन्यूअल. Yes, second is for the interest calculation. Third is for the part C. First is Dilip being bill cancelled for the renewal, being interest calculated, being part payment received, and this. So what was the amount of the bill? The amount of bill was 12,000. What was the amount of the bill? 12,000. Now how you are going to calculate the interest? From 12,000 is giving you 4,000 cash immediately. करेक्ट. जो पैसा आ गया उस पर हम इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट नहीं करते, जो बचा हुआ है उस पर कैलकुलेट करते. इंटू 12% आपको डायरेक्टली बोला है, सॉरी 8,000 इंटू 12%, तो 960 आपका इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. सो 960 डिवाइड बाई 12. नया बिल आप कितने के लिए बना रहे हो? फॉर 3 months. सो योर इंटरेस्ट इज 240. सो द इंटरेस्ट कम्स टू 240. द इंटरेस्ट कम्स टू 4. कैश कितना बोला है? 4,000. बिकॉज आपको मैंने जब प्रॉब्लम रीड किया था तभी बोला था interest is along with the new bill. Interest is along with the new bill. So the interest is new bill is 84240 with interest 8240. Okay students, again देखो अगर आपको read करना you can understand it. क्या है? दिलीप accept into Narendra by paying 4,000 in cash and accepting a bill for the balance plus interest. See, in balance plus interest, so interest is going in the new bill. Understood it students? This is we have done it everything. Renewal matlab before, don't think anything, past these 4 entries. One is for the cancellation, second is for the interest, third is for the part payment, fourth is for the new bill. Interest will depend, sometime it goes in cash, sometime it goes in new bill. You have to understand the sentence and do it. Okay students, chalo. Bank informed Narendra that Karthik's acceptance for 13,000 to Narendra discounted with bank has been dishonored. What is the कल ही मैंने आपको बोला था, whenever there is a dishonor, what is most important? The important is drawee will be debited. So here drawee is Karthik. So Karthik will be debited. और bill के साथ आपने क्या किया था? What have you done with the bill? The bill was discounted in the bank. So it will come as to bank account. So your entry will be Kartika account debit. Yes, we have what we have done with the bill. The bill is in the bank, so to bank account. And I have already told you, हम लोग noting charges will be recovering from the drawee who is the Kartika. Okay, so we just don't have to do anything. You have to add it. 13,000 was the bill, 140 was the noting charges, so you'll have 13,140. So 13,140. Okay, again you want to see it, here it is. 13,000 ka bill se noting charges was 140. So you're going to write the journal entry, Kartika account debit to bank account. Now only one thing is remaining, that is totaling. Yes, chalo, we will do the totaling. I can do one thing. For me, this will become very easy for doing the totaling part. Yes, now see, first is 9,000. Yes, the second one is 5,940 plus 60. The third one is 12,000. The fourth one is 240. The fifth one is 4,000. The sixth one is 8,240. The seventh one is 13,140. So my totaling is coming to 52,620. Okay, so my totaling is coming to, yes, my totaling is how much? 56,240. So it become little bit easier for me to see it. Okay students, chalo, We have completed the problem, learn the problem, understand it, and enjoy.